If you are tired of the same design of regular smartphones, you should check out what new phones those Ulefone brands have released. For example, this is the Ulefone Armor Mini 20T Pro. How did it manage to be so small, so thick, and still feel so nice in the hand? Even if you don't have the need to buy a rugged phone, you can still check out what an interesting little phone Ulefone has made. In addition to the basic accessories like the manual and SIM pin, the Armor Mini 20T Pro also comes with a tempered film and phone strap in the box. The charger is also a 33-watt USB-C PD charger, which is quite nice. Ulefone often sells their phones with special accessories. The Armor Mini 20T Pro gets this exclusive accessory, a case kit that also serves as a body camera holder. Simply snap the case onto the front of the phone like this, and it will protect the screen. You can clip it to your clothes and use it as a camera holder to record a video. It's also very easy to remove it. It is such an interesting phone case. I'm sure there are people out there who are fed up with big, heavy rugged phones. Obviously, this phone is made for you. The screen size is only 4.7 inches, and even with the thick rubberized frame, it's much smaller than a regular phone. And even with such a small size, it still keeps the NFC, headphone jack, and IR emitter, as well as supporting TF card expansion, which is stunning. How can such a tiny phone achieve long battery life? Ulefone's answer is thicken it. While I've seen phones thicker than this, it's still pretty impressive to see this thickness on such a small body. Here's a clever design. It's made with a very large chamfer on the back cover. It allows the phone to fit into your palm very well. I'm not lying, it really does feel 10 times better in your hand than an iPhone. And it's a phone that doesn't wobble on the table, which is so satisfying. The only issue is the weight. Considering how big the battery is, I don't really feel like complaining too much. The Armor Mini 20T Pro has a large 6200 mAh battery, which ensures that you won't need to charge it for at least 24 hours, no matter how you use it. If you turn on the ultra power saving mode, it will last for up to 26 days. 33-watt of wireless charging power and 15-watt of wireless charging power is also an excellent level in rugged phone. Of course, you can also use it to charge your other phone. Since there's no way to put the speakers on the top and bottom anymore, the speakers have to be placed on the back. The bad news is that your music is no longer in stereo, but the good news is that it's pretty loud. The Mini 20T Pro has two cameras. The one on the left is a 50 megapixel main camera, which gives you a decent photo most of the time, whether it's a night shot or zooming in 2x. And Ulefone has added a new watermark that is kind of on trend. I think the Mini 20T Pro is above the pass line among rugged phones. And this one on the right is a thermal camera from Teleton Flare. Obviously, this is a camera that helps you do your job better, like checking where equipment has shortened out, looking in the dark to see if there's anything alive nearby. You can even check which box of chicken nugget is freshly made, which is also a fun way to use it. If you forget what object your thermal imaging photo actually captured, slide it down and you will see a normal photo, a very sweet design. Okay, let's talk about this LED light ring around the camera. This is one of the highlights actually. This strip of LED lights can be much better than normal flash. The benefit of the high brightness is obvious. You can take photos when it's dark as well as during the day. Photos will also be clearer. When you're not taking pictures, you can also use it as a flashlight, a very outdoor function. Also, there are red and blue warning lights. Turn it on in emergency to attract people's attention. Otherwise, don't use this light or it will look like you are getting arrested. Let's quickly check out the rest of the Mini 20 Pro's specs. The screen is a 90Hz LCD screen. 700 nits maximum brightness is considered acceptable. The processor is a MediaTek Dimensity 6300, which is an entry-level processor. It's not particularly powerful, but it's good enough for daily use without lagging. Of course, water and dust resistance are certified at the highest level for rugged phones, and Corning Gorilla Victus glass ensures that the screen won't break easily. Although being small, it's a real rugged phone. Honestly, if the processor is a little bit stronger, I wouldn't mind putting my SIM card on this phone for daily use, even if I don't need a rugged phone. Its compact size and long battery life alone is enough to attract people to buy it. So what do you guys think about it? Has the Armor Mini 20T Pro overturned your perception of cell phones? Feel free to share your thought in the comment section. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.